This video, I will show you how to send a red packet on WeChat. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to select a contact you want to send red packet to. For that, I'm going to use this contact right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this plus. Click on this plus sign. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on red packet. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply enter the amount of red packet you want to send. Then I'm going to send one here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on prepare red packet. Then go ahead and enter the password to complete the red packet. Successfully sent, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.